Nutrition facts labels are key to helping us know which foods to choose and how much of them to eat or drink. Now, they can be a little confusing, so we're going to look at one and discuss what all the words mean and the numbers mean and how you can use them to make healthier selections. And the very first thing you should always look at is the serving size. This is really important. If you change the serving of the amount of food or drink, then you have to change all the other numbers on the label. This label has 1 cup or 228 grams as the serving size. You would need to measure out 1 cup using a measuring cup or weigh out 228 grams using a food scale. That means if you ate the entire container, you would be eating 2 times the amount listed below. That's why you always need to check the label and use measuring cups, like these. Measuring cups are wonderful and can really help with portion control. So let's head home and talk about calories. Calories are the energy in our food, and we have to have a balance of the calories that we eat and the calories that we burn, like through exercise. So if we eat more calories than we burn, we gain weight. But if we burn more calories than we eat, then we lose weight. Calories come from fat, carbohydrates, and protein. The next item on the label is total fat. Let's take a look at the breakdown of the different types of fat. Saturated fat and trans fats are the bad fats. They can raise LDL or bad cholesterol in the body, which increases the risk for heart disease. Sometimes you see polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fat listed on the label. These are the good fats. They help maintain your HDL or your good cholesterol in your body. Even though these fats are heart healthy, you still want to limit the portion because they're high calorie. Total carbohydrates. Underneath the total carbs on the label, it gives you a breakdown of different types of carbs. Dietary fiber is healthy and something we should get plenty of. Sugar is another type of carb and it should be eaten in moderation. Protein is a nutrient that helps build our muscles, our skin, and our hair. Below the black line, you will find some of, but not always all of, the vitamins and minerals in that product. Along the right side of the nutrition facts label, you will see a list of percentages for each nutrient, which shows the percent daily value. The percent daily value is for someone following a 2,000 calorie diet. What it's saying is, if you were to eat 1 cup of this product, you would be getting 18% of your total fat needs for the day. But what if you're not on a 2,000 calorie diet? Here's a quick guide for you. If the percentage is 5% or less, it means it's low. But if it's 20% or more, it means it's high. And if it's between 5% and 20%, then it means it's in the middle. The nutrients that are good to be low are in this section here. Total fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, and sodium. The nutrients you want to be high are fiber and vitamins and minerals. Now that we've learned to read a nutrition facts label, let's use our knowledge to compare products. Here we have 2% milk, which is reduced fat milk, and fat-free milk, which is skim milk. If we look at the labels, both serving sizes are the same, 1 cup. However, the 2% milk is 130 calories per serving, and the fat-free milk is 90 calories per serving. So by choosing the fat-free milk, we'll be saving 40 calories per serving. Let's compare the fat and cholesterol. The 2% milk's daily value is 8% for the total fat, 15% for the saturated fat, and 7% for the cholesterol. Check out the fat-free milk. The percent daily value is 0% for the total fat, saturated fat, and cholesterol. Now this is interesting. All the other nutrients are very similar in each of the milks. You get all the good nutrients in the fat-free milk without the calories, bad fat, and cholesterol. So now that you know how to read a nutrition facts label, you have all the tools you need for picking out healthy foods and healthy portions.